Hey guys, we're back to another video. Sorry I didn't make a video of me opening up presents, but I'll get so I'm putting all my fidgets in the bucket. These are the fidgets I have in here. I got lots. Oh shoot. So I got a whole bunch of fidgets because all I really said I wanted was fidgets and scrunchies. So this is my bucket. And the buckets I'm gonna be putting the fidgets in. This is just a trash bucket. I need to take it out. This is where the trash is going. And yeah, I'll make a YouTube video showing I'm gonna make some series of showing all my fidgets. And so yeah, I love this. Oh, I scared my aunt by saying spider. She ran because look, it's a little spider, and this is like its little web. But yeah, I love this. So, oh, by the way, this pops really good on both sides. It's really good. I love it. Okay. That's the garbage thing. I don't know what to say that. So, I love things to put my fidgets in because I have lots of fidgets. Now I'm going to be opening up this fidget spinner. Oh, guys, I got a fidget spinner bracelet. It's so cute. I love it. I'm going to be turning on the flash. It'll probably make it easier. Even though my light's on, my room's kind of dark on the camera. So let's open this up. This will be my unboxing video. Only a little bit of my fidgets because I have a storage problem sometimes with my phone. My phone's stupid. That's why I don't upload that long of videos. I just upload shorts because it doesn't take up space. Ow. Ugh. I got like 1,000 fidgets. Oh, this fidget spinner is so cool. Oh, it scratched my nose. Okay, now let's open up this really, it's not rock in my mouth. This really long snake. Okay. So, I guess the snake's supposed to, oh gosh, the snake is longer than usual. Look how long the snake is. It's so long. It might not seem long on camera, but this thing is huge. So I really like the snake, so let's put it in the bucket. And I got so much little mochis. Okay. So we're gonna start with these things that are out. What did I just drop? Okay, I love this little monkey noodle unicorn. It's really cool. I love it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I grabbed the cutest mochi I have. My panda one. Hold on, let me open it. This is like the one that I think is the cutest. I also got some fidgets from my church, mochi. I'm going to be unboxing too. So, here's this little panda guy, mochi. It's so adorable. I absolutely love it. It's my little pet panda. Stretch, 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 kill. I'm in love with this fidget spinner. Okay, now let's do this little penguin. Penguin. They say the biggest ones are really the squishiest. I don't know why they say that, but these ones are actually really squishy. They're kind of squished. I don't know if I said it because they're in a lot of bags with some heavy things. And I got a bag full of lots of scrunch. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Oh, this is so cute. I'm in love. I'm in love with it. There's a bear. I didn't unbox all of my things. I unboxed a lot. So, here's this cute little bear. And then I got this puzzle ball. Another one. Okay. Let's do, I got lots of peas in a pod. Look. Peekaboo. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Oh, here's one of my Pop-It bracelets. I love it. Here it is. It is so cute. Like, love it. I didn't want a lot for my birthday, but I got a whole bunch. Another Pop-It bracelet. Pink, blue, purple, pink, green. So fashion-y. Oh, I got fat monkey noodles, the big ones. Well, every time when I got them, I literally laughed. I don't know why. They're so big. They're so huge. I just love these. They're huge. Oh my goodness gracious. So, fat monkey noodles go in there. Another big unicorn monkey noodle. These little types, they're so cool. Geez, unicorn, you're really long. It's a long unicorn. Another Pop-It bracelet. This one's just purple. Pop. Oh, that side's a lot better. So this side, and then that side, this side. It's hard to pop. Okay. I think this is like a puzzle. I don't really know what this is, but it's still very, very cool. So another little fidget heart. Perfect, because it's a heart for my birthday. Okay, let's open up this pack of marble mash. Let's go. Okay, there's 3, pink, blue, and green. Okay. So, this is the pink one. Where's my dad? So, here's the pink one. Really big. There's a big ones. Let's put that in the bucket. Love you, Dad. Okay. So, there's the blue one. And there's the green one. The video's already 8 minutes long. Oh, I got another fat one. Oh, wait, I already showed you guys my piece in the pod. Why is it not in the little bucket? Okay. Another fat monkey noodle. Big, long monkey noodle. I love it. Oh, I love this marble mash. It's so pretty. Like, OMG, look at it. I want to try to find the fidget I really, really, really want to show you guys. Okay, I got a bouncy ball. Well, got lots of these. So, I guess this is the end of the video. We did a lot of fidget showing. There'll be another one. I'm probably going to unbox a lot without the video, but I'll show you guys the ones that I'm unboxing because I just don't want to wait. And yeah, so bye.